mobiles.
Welcome to At Home School. In this video, I am going to explain how to make chicken curry. The ingredients required for making chicken curry are half kg of chicken, oil, red chili powder, coriander leaves, curry leaves, ginger and garlic paste, green chili, chicken masala, salt, onions, curd, coriander powder, bagara masala, cumin masala. Let's move into the procedure. Add a half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili, one tablespoon of coriander powder, ginger and garlic paste, curd, now mix it well. Mix it well and keep it aside for 2 hours. So after that we can move to the further procedure. After 2 hours you can see that the entire masala is stuffed into the pieces of chicken. Now we can move into the procedure. Nearly 3 tablespoons of oil, now you can add this bagara leaves and cumin into this. Now you can add this chopped chili. Now add curry leaves. Now add chopped onions. Roast it until the onions turns into brown. You can roast it until this onion turns into golden brown. Now you can observe that the onions are turned into golden brown. So now you can add this alum paste, ginger and garlic paste. Now you can add chicken into it. Now you can remove this bagara leaves. Roast it to 10 to 15 minutes. See, after 15 minutes, you can watch it. The chicken has been turned into half cooked. So we can move into the further procedure. So we can complete it. Now I'm adding nearly 1 tablespoon of salt. Already we had added salt into the chicken, so that we should add a little more. That's it. Red chili powder, nearly 1 tablespoon. Garam masala along with the coriander powder. So this is also nearly 1.5 tablespoon. Add 1 cup of water. So please close lid for 5 minutes. So nearly 5 to 10 minutes you close the lid. Now you can open the lid. See, the oil has came up, so that it indicates the chicken has been cooked well. In this way we can cook chicken. Now chicken is ready to serve. The delicious chicken curry is ready. Please try it and please give me the feedback in the form of comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching video.